Ever found yourself needing to access your work files or a specific program, but all you have is your phone? It's a common scenario in our increasingly mobile world. We're used to having so much power in our pockets, and it's natural to wonder if that power extends to everything we use on our desktops and laptops. One question that pops up frequently, especially for those in the business world, is, does Lightspeed work on phones? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Lightspeed, for those unfamiliar, is a popular cloud-based point-of-sale, POS, and e-commerce platform used by businesses of all sizes, from small boutiques to large retail chains. It handles everything from sales transactions and inventory management to customer relationship management and reporting. It's a powerful tool, often the backbone of a business's operations. So, the ability to access and manage it on a mobile device is a crucial consideration. Now, before we get into the specifics of mobile access, let's quickly touch on why this question is so important. Think about it. You're a store owner, and you're away from your business. Suddenly, you need to check your inventory levels, or perhaps a customer calls with a question about a specific product. Being able to quickly access your POS system from your phone could be the difference between a satisfied customer and a missed opportunity. Or imagine you're a manager, and you need to approve a transaction while you're on the go. Mobile access provides that flexibility and convenience. So, does Lightspeed offer this mobile capability? The short answer is yes, but with some important nuances. Lightspeed offers mobile access through a couple of different avenues, and the experience can vary depending on which Lightspeed product you're using. They have specifically designed mobile apps for certain aspects of their platform, and they also offer web-based access. Let's break down these options and explore what each offers. First, let's talk about the Lightspeed Retail mobile app. This app is designed specifically for managing your retail store from your phone or tablet. It's available for both iOS and Android devices, which covers the vast majority of smartphone users. This app allows you to perform a number of essential tasks, such as processing sales, checking inventory, managing customer profiles, and even generating reports. It's a streamlined version of the full desktop platform, optimized for touchscreens and smaller screens. Imagine being able to ring up a sale right from your phone while you're on the sales floor, or quickly checking if a product is in stock without having to run to the back office. That's the power of the Lightspeed Retail mobile app. However, it's important to note that the mobile app doesn't offer the full functionality of the desktop version. Some more complex tasks, such as detailed reporting or extensive inventory management, might still require you to log in to the desktop platform. Think of the mobile app as a convenient and powerful tool for everyday tasks, while the desktop version remains the central hub for more in-depth management. Beyond the dedicated retail app, Lightspeed also offers mobile access through its web interface. This means you can access your Lightspeed account from any device with a web browser, including your phone. This is particularly useful if you're using a Lightspeed product that doesn't have a dedicated mobile app, or if you need access to a feature that isn't available in the app. Simply open your phone's browser, navigate to the Lightspeed website, and log in as you normally would. The website is designed to be responsive, meaning it will adapt to the size of your screen, making it reasonably user-friendly on a mobile device. However, while the web interface offers broader access to the full functionality of Lightspeed, it might not be as optimized for mobile use as the dedicated app. Navigating a full desktop interface on a smaller screen can sometimes be challenging, and certain features might be easier to use with a mouse and keyboard. Think of the web interface as a backup option, or a way to access features that aren't available in the mobile app. Now, let's address a common question. Can you run the full desktop version of Lightspeed on your phone? The answer is generally no. Lightspeed is designed as a web application, and while you can technically access it through your phone's browser, it's not designed to be used in that way. The interface will likely be clunky and difficult to navigate, and performance might be an issue. It's simply not a practical solution for regular use. So, what's the best approach to using Lightspeed on your phone? The ideal strategy depends on your specific needs and the Lightspeed product you're using. If you're primarily managing a retail store, the Lightspeed Retail mobile app is likely your best bet for everyday tasks. It's designed for mobile use, and it offers a wide range of features that are essential for running a store. If you need access to features that aren't available in the app, or if you're using a different Lightspeed product, the web interface is a viable alternative. Just remember that it might not be as optimized for mobile use as the dedicated app. Ultimately, the ability to access Lightspeed on your phone provides a significant level of flexibility and convenience. Whether you're a store owner, a manager, or an employee, mobile access allows you to stay connected to your business and manage essential tasks from anywhere. It's a testament to the power of mobile technology and the increasing importance of cloud-based solutions in today's business world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.